about Fawn Design in the color black. Now, I wasn't really sure about this bag. I don't like the pebble usually, and I still am not sure about this bag. However, a lot of people have asked what do I put in my bag? How do I pack it? And I was thinking about it. I don't really use this for the kids stuff, and this is more of a me bag. So I think that's why I wasn't sure about this bag. It feels so much smaller than my mini in the walnut in the matte leather. And so it is packed to the brim. Like, there's no getting anything else in here. Like, you can see my lip chap. So I thought I'd go over this bag because I just can't stand how beautiful it is. I mean, it's just so pretty. I love the gold and the gold on the black. It pops. It was sitting on the counter and I was like, wow, that just looks so pretty. I have to use it, especially because I'm always wearing black. I thought it would be a good bag to do a review on. And if anybody else watches this video and they have bags similar to this, if they've noticed a difference in the size, same exact bag, I don't know if it's the color, but it just feels so much smaller. So I think that's one of the reasons that I haven't opted for the black in the large original, is because I'm worried that it would be like my gray one where it doesn't fit my laptop. And mostly the bags that I do buy are for laptops, so I don't need any more smaller bags. So for the Fawn Design, if you're not familiar with the Fawn Design, it comes with a grab handle, but you must buy the 2.0 version, because if you get the 1.0 version, you will not get this lovely grab handle. So for the sides, I love, love, love this brand for the fact that it's beautiful, it's elegant, it's some hardware right here, so it says Fawn Design. The pockets, however, I don't usually use them because they're so tight, especially because of how, if you can see how much space there is. I packed this bag full. We were gonna go to dinner and I thought I needed a few things. Always carrying hand sanitizer, especially right now. And so this is my hand sanitizer pocket, so my kids know any of my bags, usually the hand sanitizer is on the side or in the front. So they're always grabbing for it. I usually put lip chap and things in here, but you can see I have it so packed I can barely get my fingers in there. So I don't have lip chap in there, but my kids know that if they want lip chap or hand sanitizer, they're always in the front pockets. So we always have this on hand in every single bag. So that's in there. I don't have anything on this side because it's so tight. And on the hardware, I do have, so this was a really neat find. I found it ranging anywhere from $10 to $20 on the different websites. This one is from Modern and Chic, so you can see the nice logo right there. I thought it looked cool. I'm using something else for my keys, but I love black and it matches really nice with the bag, so I thought I would add it to this bag. So for the back, I don't really use this pocket unless I'm carrying a book, which sometimes I am carrying a book, it's just inside. There's a back pocket, and sometimes I'll stick my keys in the back pocket. The best part about pulling these bags out and using them is, TJ Maxx. I found a gift card from Christmas, so must have stuck it in there and didn't realize it and was like, ooh, score. So that's been fun. But usually I put things in there that I always forget about, and so that was fun. A catch-all pocket. This does not fit my laptop, so hence it's not really used on my side, but there is a pocket at the top right here. And then as for the bottom, there are no feet, which for some reason on this bag, it doesn't bother me. So it does, if you can see the shape of it, it is like a half moon shape. And there are no feet on the bottom. It does come with a grab handle that I carry about shoulder length, so I can, and I actually will carry, this is one of the very few bags I will carry like this. I don't usually like something right here. However, it doesn't seem to bother me. And then of course you have the two backpack straps that are detachable that I thought was awesome. They come off, and then I don't mind the hardware, especially because it's on the side and not digging into my back down here. And then they of course go in the back pocket. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can see the inside of my bag, but just to give you a Nice overview of that beautiful buttery button, and then, or the zipper, sorry. And then how it folds over, and then the inside of my bag. So this is the inside of the Fawn Mini 2.0 in the color black. It is the black pebble leather. And I know in previous videos I've said I don't like the pebble. I think it's growing on me. I really, really want the black original, but I haven't brought myself to buy it because I am nervous about it being pebble and the fact that it just feels smaller. I don't want it to not be able to fit my laptop like my gray one. So I love this. This doesn't match, which usually I'm a big fan of matching. However, I really like this wallet. It is a Patricia Nash, I believe is the brand. So you can see the logo right here. It is a leather, and it is the smooth, nice leather. I love, love, love this. So it comes with a little snap. It has a pocket right here, which I don't have anything in. And then, don't mind the crazy, there's a little crazy in there. I keep my gift cards, and then I have extras in here. And then you can put your cash in there. You have a pocket for whatever you want. And then there's an additional pocket right here, and then all your cards. And then I keep my ID here. However, I didn't want to show that on YouTube. But I love, there's a magnetic button or closure right there, plus this that just keeps it tight. And it's packed, and it's so thin. Usually wallets that have that many cards are fat and clunky, so this was definitely a really good purchase. I got it off TJ Maxx, so if you see it, it might be something that you might like. So I keep my wallet in there, and then I have right now, so I love these Lily Jade packs. These are in the color cream, I believe. And so these are full of face masks. So I know I always have face masks wherever we go. If we need it, we can pop it out. If we don't need it, well, it stays secure in my little pack, and I can just pull it out and toss it into something else. Now I love this. This is a Clever Fox planner. It's in the color black. So I love this because it is, I believe, like the ultimate. So some of them, the lines and the information is printed in this black, and everything's black. And this is such a white paper that it throws me off. So I really like the inside of this one. It is a weekly planner. So I use it for my personal organization, not necessarily my work organization. Hence, it's in my bag right now. And then I have, which I always carry everywhere. So these are stickers. Of course, my husband loves stickers too. But these are bullet journals. And so if I'm ever going somewhere, or if I want to jot down something. So some of my crazy, I have character mapping, but it kind of gives you an idea of how obsessive I am with some of my stuff. So my bullet journal went for writers. So if you're a writer, this is something that I really recommend. It is amazing. Love, love, love this brand. So this would be the medium size set piece, but if you can just see how much space there is in there, and then the pens fit in there. So I really like this one. The large is filled with, of course, more books. And then you can see the inside of the bag. I do actually have on the clasp here. I don't usually do this, but because I just had my key, this is a bracelet that I found on the Modern and Chic website. I actually love this. I just think it's simple, it works, and I can hang it on the outside of my bag or on the inside of my bag. So the inside, I always carry a mini jujube set piece. Now this one has a lot of the mommy stuff, so like eye drops, a lot of eye drops. I'm always carrying eye drops, nail clippers, and then there's of course more lip chap. I also found these really cool packs. So vitamins, I'm always forgetting to take my vitamins, and so there are these cool packs that I can just pop in here, and then I can take it. And of course vitamins and band-aids. My kids always need band-aids. I always need band-aids. So I find these work really well, and these fit amazing inside. It's like she built her pockets to fit packs because they fit right in there, and I love that about it. So the back, I don't usually keep anything in the back right there. However, the mini will fit there if I want it to. This pocket I feel like is a little bit smaller than the front pocket. It could just be my brain because this is black bag. And then the inside, I always carry a brush. I have a lot of hair, so these are the best. If you ever want to tease your hair, make it bigger, which, oh my God, people that have curly hair probably should never do that. This brush, you can get it at the Sally Beauty stores. Love this. And it just hides in every bag, and it works really well. So that's the inside. Now, my absolute favorite about this bag that I really just have to show you. It comes out. I love it. I love the fact that the inside of this bag comes out. Oh, and look, there's my perfume. Love this too. The inside of the bag comes out. So I can do any cleaning. I can pull it out. Oh, I love this feature. This is probably my favorite feature about the Fawn, and probably why I go back to it, is look at the quality of the inside of the bag. It matches the outside of the bag. So yes, it does make it heavier. So I'll show you how to put it back in. So you pull it out and then you just push it back in. The Fawn Design Mini in the color black. Love it. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I'm JMNeal, and thank you so much for taking the time to spend with me and go over this beautiful bag. I hope this helped make any decisions if you were looking at this bag or interested in the differences between the mini and the original. I hope this helped, and thank you so much for taking the time with me, and look forward to our next video.